Are you looking for the perfect utility by which you can back up Yahoo Mail emails into different file formats? If yes, then stay connected. Sysinfo Yahoo Backup Tool is the best and most efficient to back up Yahoo Mail emails directly to the local machine with 100% accuracy. It allows users to back up or migrate Yahoo emails into 25+ file formats and email clients such as PST, PDF, Gmail, etc. Now, let's understand some salient key features and benefits of the tool. Backup Yahoo Mail emails to multiple file formats like PST, OSD, EMLX, HTML, MHTML, CSV, etc. Migrate Yahoo emails to Gmail, Yandex.Mail, Amazon Webmail, Thunderbird, Zoho Mail, and other email clients. Using this software, you can save the Yahoo emails into image and document formats such as PDF, text, doc, docx, PNG, TIFF, etc. It keeps the folder hierarchy intact during the conversion. Smart filter to remove duplicate emails of the chosen folders. Support different Windows operating system versions like 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, Vista, XP, and other earlier versions. The prerequisites of this tool include: if you are using Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, then run the tool as Run as Administrator. When you log into your Yahoo Mail account in the tool, you need to establish a proper internet connection. A third-party app password of Yahoo Mail is also required before an email account sign-in. Now, let's check out the working procedure of this software in detail. Step-by-step guide to backup Yahoo emails. First, you have to download and install the Sysinfo Yahoo backup software on your computer. Then launch the software as an administrator. Now, enter your Yahoo Mail ID and third-party app password. If you do not have a third-party password for Yahoo Mail, you can easily create it by clicking on the below link. After that, click on the Sign In button. Next, you can preview the folders and subfolders of your logged-in Yahoo account. Now, check the folders from the tree structure you want to back up and click Next. After that, select the saving format like PST, PDF, MBOX, or EML from the Save/Backup/Migrate as drop-down menu. Here, we select the PST format as a saving option. If you want to delete similar emails from the chosen folders, opt for the Remove Duplicate Mail option. To maintain the proper structure of the folders, you have to check the Maintain Folder Hierarchy feature. Free up server space option to delete the emails from the Yahoo server after backup. You can also leave the previous backup items by selecting the Skip Previously Migrated Items option. But, you can opt for this option only when you have taken backup using the Sysinfo Yahoo backup tool. Check the option Migrate or Backup Emails without attachments files if needed. Here, you can also set the scheduled backup of Yahoo emails based on day, week, or month. Check the Mail Filter option to filter emails in a particular date range. Custom folder name box to assign the name of the resultant folder. Then click on the Path to Save button to select the destination location for the new resultant folder. After that, tap on the Convert button to start the backup process of Yahoo Mailbox emails. Now, click on the Download Report button to save the conversion report of the backup process. Additionally, you can also transfer Yahoo emails to various email clients. To do so, click on the Convert Again button. In the opening wizard, select the email client from the drop-down list. Here, I choose a Gmail email client. Now, enter your Gmail ID and third-party app password in the software. Or, if you did not have the third-party password of Gmail, you can also create it by clicking on the link below. Then tap on the Sign In button for further process. Check the Remove Duplicate Mail option to remove the repetitive emails from the selected folders. Maintain Folder Hierarchy option to maintain the original structure of the folder. You can also opt for the Free Up Server Space option to delete the emails from the Yahoo server after the migration. Skip Previously Migrated Items option to exclude the once imported emails from the folders. You can also check to Migrate or Backup Emails without Attachments Files option to import only the emails from the selected folders. Set Backup Schedule feature to set the backup of emails as per the given option. You can also filter emails between the start and end dates. Custom Folder Name option to enter the folder's name in which the migrated emails will store. Click on the Convert button to begin the migration of Yahoo Mail emails into Gmail. You can also download the conversion report by clicking on the Download Report button.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.